11 12 के परसेंटेज जो है वो कुछ भी काम की नहीं है फॉर दिस
कुछ
काइंड
भी
ऑफ
काम के नहीं.
कोर्सेस।
No,
मतलब जो
not at
बच्चे
all.
फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड से 12th तक जो पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, वो उनके जो परसेंटेज हम इतनी
Not used.
रेस क्लासेस ये वो है, वो यूज्ड में ही नहीं है, यू आर सेइंग। हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है हरीश दहियांडे और मैं हूँ अर्शाद क्रिएशन से। एंड आज बहुत ही स्पेशल और बहुत क्रिएटिव गेस्ट हमारे साथ में है। दैट्स मिस मिसेस नाउ, राइट?
Mrs. Aditi
हाँ,
Bhandari.
मिसेस अदिति भंडारी। और शी इज बाय प्रोफेशन ज्वेलरी डिजाइनिंग करते हैं। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि वही खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करे कि फ्रॉम वेयर शी स्टार्टेड, व्हाट्स हर क्वालिफिकेशन एंड व्हाट शी इज डूइंग राइट नाउ। प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ अदिति
Yeah,
जी।
thank you so much, sir. पहले तो I started my journey from NVS only. I started designing and doing my creative stuff from there, where the Bade ma'am was my first teacher. After which I met sir, and he started my journey with drawing, with watercolors, with poster colors, and everything that I could learn from him, which developed my interest ahead into something creative, which was from the start. Like I knew I had to get into arts, be it whatsoever. So then I got to know about colleges. Then I planned for doing architecture, which eventually I felt I should not be doing. I changed my mind and I went into jewelry designing. So I studied from NIFT, and I am a NIFT Calcutta graduate who's learned jewelry as accessory and lifestyle designing. So that's how I went into it. And then I worked in Bombay for 2 years, and then I started my own brand. So now I have started my own brand, and that's my journey about it.
ग्रेट ग्रेट, लाइक टू सी योर डिजाइन। हम
Yes,
लोगों
you
से भी,
can
या
surely follow my page.
यस
I
यस,
have an
विल डू
Instagram
दैट,
page.
यस। ग्रेट।
Yes.
सो बेसिकली एज यू सेड कि आपने स्कूल से ही थोड़ा सा आर्ट में इंटरेस्ट था, राइट? और वहीं से
Yes.
आपने शुरू किया है बेसिक ड्राइंग डेवलप करते करते धीरे धीरे इंटरेस्ट आया। फर्स्ट यू थॉट अबाउट द आर्किटेक्ट, जस्ट नाउ यू सेड, एंड
Yes.
देन सडनली ज्वेलरी में कैसे इंटरेस्ट आ गया? मतलब आर्किटेक्ट छोड़ के या स्टडीज में? Even I
Actually,
know that you are a
architecture.
badminton player, right? You are a
Yes.
sportsman also. You are, so ये सारी चीजें, you are very good in studies also. तो
Yes.
सारी चीजों को एकदम साइड में करके पर्टिकुलरली ज्वेलरी डिजाइनिंग में कैसे इतना ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट? हाउ इट कम?
Badminton always was my passion. मतलब मुझे I'm a state level badminton player, and keeping arts hand in hand, I had to decide on some career. Somewhere, art was that field which made me more happier and made me feel that yes, this is going to be my interest area, and I have to go into it. So it started with architecture, but architecture being a very common field, I didn't want to do it. So I went on finding something new, something different. So I came across NIFT where I saw jewelry designing courses, and I felt maybe I should go for it. And it turned out to be the right decision for me. So that is how it
दैट्स
went
ग्रेट।
about it.
तो
Yeah.
पर्टिकुलर कहीं से आपको इंस्पिरेशन मिला था, और हैव यू मेट एनी ज्वेलरी डिजाइनर और समथिंग लाइक दैट हैपन? और
Actually,
इज देयर
now,
anybody in the family?
no, there's nobody in the family. It's not that. I met a few friends of mine जो IIGJ से पढ़ रहे थे. IIGJ is a jewelry college in Bombay,
ओके।
and it is a recognized GJAPC. GJAPC एक council होती है जो jewelry की management करती है all over India. उस काउंसिल से रन किया हुआ कॉलेज है वो. तो मुझे उसके बारे में पता चला. फ्रॉम वेयर आई वेंट टू फाइंडिंग डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस. तो मैंने पर्ल में भी एडमिशन लिया, वहां भी मेरा हो गया, बट दैट स्टिल डिड नॉट सेटिस्फाई मी. देन आई वेंट टू निफ्ट. I met a few people from NIFT where I wanted to know about more jewelry. So there were a few more campuses. गांधीनगर भी है, कैलकाटा भी है, अभी हैदराबाद भी डेवलप हो रहा है जहाँ पे ज्वेलरी के लिए वो लोग काफी इंपॉर्टेंस दे रहे हैं.
तो आपने
तो
वो सारे प्लेसेस पे जाके विजिट किया, यू आर सेइंग?
नहीं, मैंने विजिट नहीं किया. मैंने सिर्फ
फिर
गांधीनगर
कैसे?
का कैंपस देखा था.
ओके।
एक्चुअली वो मैंने भी नहीं देखा था, मेरे डैड ने देखा था.
अच्छा।
सो उन्होंने देखने के बाद में देन वी केम ऑन अ कंक्लूजन दैट दिस इज समथिंग नाइस एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट विल हेल्प मी ग्रो माई सेल्फ इन द फ्यूचर.
ओके।
तो एंड अभी वो बहुत न्यू न्यू था. आई डिड इट आई थिंक 6 years बैक. तो तब वो फील्ड जस्ट डेवलपिंग थी, या इंटरनेशनल कंट्रीज में था बट इंडिया में इतना नहीं था. अभी भी मैं
ओके।
बोलती हूँ किसी को कि आई हैव डन दिस, इट्स अ ऑल फ्रॉम देयर एंड कि दिस इज ऑल्सो अ
एग्जैक्टली
फील्ड एज
एग्जैक्टली।
ऑफ दैट. So that made me feel even more motivated that I can contribute to the society. Something new from my end will obviously help the society. So
दैट्स
there it was that yes, I will do this and I will move ahead doing this.
Okay.
So that started with it.
So basically, you have done from the NIFT, right? That
Yes.
long form is National Institute of Fashion
Institute of
Technology, right?
Correct.
So
Yes.
you are saying 3 campuses hai right now in India
Who have jewelry. They have
for
accessories.
jewelry. Okay.
Yes.
They have fashion designing also and jewelry designing
Every
also.
single campus has fashion designing.
Okay.
But there are some campuses which have specific areas, like leather designing probably is only in 4 or 5 campuses.
Okay.
So my campus, being Calcutta, we had all the streams like leather, accessory, knitwear design. Then you have fashion design, fashion
I think
communication,
interior
textile
designing
design.
also is there, na?
No, there is no interior designing.
Okay,
in
there
this.
is no interior. So basically,
It
कोई
comes
अगर
under accessories only. So if anybody is interested, you can have some of the accessories being designed in
Right.
our course. Yeah.
Okay. So basically, अगर if anybody is planning for a jewelry designing, पहले तो उनको निफ्ट के ऑफिशियल साइट पे जाके चेक करना होगा कि कौन कौन से कैंपसेस में ज्वेलरी डिजाइनिंग अवेलेबल
Correct.
है, राइट?
Yes.
फर्स्ट दे नीड टू फाइंड आउट दैट.
But there's a catch in this. They do not write it as jewelry designing. They write it as lifestyle and accessory designing.
अच्छा, lifestyle and accessories designing,
which has jewelry inside
jewelry
it.
inside it. Okay.
Yes.
So
So
people please notice
directly
this
people
thing.
don't find it. Yes.
Ah,
This was what I faced. So
right.
after which, when we visited the Gandhinagar campus, we got to know that it is jewelry only, but it is named under that.
Okay.
So they give you jewelry specialized. So my certificate also has it, lifestyle and accessory designer, jewelry specialized.
And it's a complete 4-year degree course.
Yes, it's a 4-year degree course.
Okay. And
in which you have 6 months graduation project, 3.5 years of education.
3.5 years of education, and graduation period means what
Graduation
exactly
period,
they have to do? A job anywhere or internship kind of thing?
Yes, yes.
Right?
Okay. Like you have a thesis in architecture.
Right.
Similarly, you have a graduation project in this.
Great.
Where you go to a company, you learn under them, you create your pieces. Like I had created 2 jewelry pieces under one company. And in the end, you have to go and give a jury to a jury panel.
And this all things take care by college only, right?
Yeah, you can find by yourself also, but college does help.
Okay, college does help.
Yes.
Great thing.
So you have seniors also, college also. So both of them give you contacts where you can go and meet people, send your resumes, profiles, portfolios, and they accept it.
Okay. But what is the admission process now for this course? Like
for
if
NIFT?
For NIFT, if anybody wants to get into the admission and college and all, so what they have to practice, what they have to do exactly?
See, firstly, you will have an entrance exam for NIFT, which is their own entrance exam, which is applied to all the centers that...
It is after 12th, no?
Yes, after 12th.
But if for 11, 12, science, arts, commerce, anyone can...
Doesn't make a difference at all.
Okay, that's very important. Like if you have even arts background or commerce background, they can also apply. It's not like NIT.
Your college marks do not apply to NIFT entrance at all.
Okay.
Even if you score a 50%, you get into NIFT.
So minimum criteria is 50%, I guess, for the NIFT.
I think so, yeah. Because during my time, my certificate was not even checked. My mark sheet was just given.
What
you're I have passed.
Saying like 11, 12 के percentage जो है वो कुछ भी काम की नहीं है for this kind of courses.
No.
मतलब जो बच्चे first standard से 12th तक जो पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं वो उनके जो percentage हम इतनी race classes ये वो है वो used में ही नहीं है, you are saying. I can't.
मेरी सिर्फ मार्कशीट गई थी 10th की मार्कशीट 12th की मार्कशीट बस.
That's it.
And it reached pass already. I had a good aggregate, so इसलिए और भी problem नहीं आया.
मतलब कितने सारे parents और student का ये myth खत्म हो जाएगा. They don't go for a sports, they don't go for art classes or their hobbies.
They should go for it.
And exercise सब कुछ बंद हो जाता है. 12th है बच्चे का, 10th है बच्चे का. Even I have met the parents who left their job क्योंकि उनके बच्चों का 10th है या 12th है for 1 year or 2 years, you know.
I'll tell you, I played my state level badminton matches in my 12th. I got admission into NIFT. I've done everything. I've not stopped from anything.
Great.
So I would recommend for everybody who wants to get into this, at least don't sacrifice on all of this. Get 80% marks. It's more than enough. You'll get a very good college if you have good skills. Okay.
So 12th marks are not counted. Stream is not important. Then what is the criteria right now to take
the NIFT entrance exam?
Okay, they have their even
own entrance exam.
Same thing must be happen with other colleges also?
Yeah. I can't say about all colleges, but NID also. See, if you
Yes.
have to apply for NIT, you have to give their own entrance exam.
Right. That I know.
So again, for the best top design colleges, you don't need your marks. You just need
Okay.
a 50% in it, and then you give your entrance exams.
Means
You crack your entrance exams, you get the best of their scores, and you are into the college.
okay. So right now, do you remember any particular syllabus is there for entrance exam, or what you have to
Yeah,
do
there
portfolio
were
or something like that?
there were two papers. The first paper had I think general ability, and that
Okay.
is your maths. Then you have your logical thinking and all of these. And the second paper is a creative paper in which you have drawing, as like you have to do storytelling, then you have to do other posters and such activities related to it.
Like designs or human figure or perspective topic
Yeah,
must
yeah,
be
all
there,
of
right?
these
This
things.
all things.
Yes.
So it
So
means, and they have to use color pencil as per my
that
knowledge.
depends. I think it is mentioned in the question for us.
Right.
I remember one of my questions what I had answered. They had given us dusk and dawn, and they had asked what colors will you be using into it. So you have to mention using the colors what happens and which colors are used. So they have trick questions also. They have basic questions also. But you can use color pencil. You can use watercolors, poster colors, pencils, shadings, HBs, all. So all
Okay.
of these mediums
Means
are applicable.
from this conclusion, two things are there. If you want to take admission for this, 12 marks are not counted. And for entrance exam, your general ability needs to be improved, and even the basic maths, physics, chemistry, whatever is questioned up to the 10th or 12th maximum.
Yeah,
That you need to
not. I don't
practice.
think even 12th. It's
Okay.
below
Acha,
12th only
below
for
12th,
sure.
and then till the
Yeah,
10th
yeah.
standard, you should
Till
know.
10th standard. It's
And
basic.
okay. And second thing is completely based on basic drawing and painting.
Yes, very true.
So that
Your
and
drawing skills need to be good for
right,
sure.
drawing skill, even perspective, human figure sketching, everything needs to be good.
And you have to have creative ideas. So
Okay.
traveling and moving around and seeing new things will help you
Right.
get all of those creative ideas. So read as much as you can. That will also help. So all of these things do, and practice as much as you can. So there's
Great.
no other way to it. So yeah.
Great stuff.
And I think
So,
similar thing goes for, and after the exam, you have a screening. So they give you, the pattern has changed as of now because of this online thing.
right,
But
exactly.
earlier, it used to be they'll give you materials and you have to create something. So it's a studio test kind of a thing.
Right.
So approximately for, I think they give you 2 hours or something. And then in that, you have to design something and give it to them.
Okay.
So that happens. And on that basis, on both the bases, like the exam and this, your final marks are given. Like are you into it? Your rank is given.
Right. So
And
this
then you have
studio, for
counseling.
the studio test also, student needs to be practiced from the scratch.
Yes.
They have to create something artistic.
Correct.
Or
So they'll give you
whatever
materials
given to the top.
at the point of time. Yes.
Okay. And third thing, I need, I think so, portfolio also need for some time. So,
In
nowadays,
NIFT,
it's
you
not
don't need a
compulsory.
portfolio.
Okay.
Yeah. Till my entrance, we do not need a portfolio.
Okay.
And for NID, you do need a portfolio because NID, the process is entrance exam. Then you have the interview in which you have to
Right.
show your portfolio. So you will need a portfolio for NID. When you fill the form now for the second mains exam, they do ask you for a portfolio.
But for the NIFT
So,
right now, it's not good.
no, I am not very sure about this current scenario. So that needs to be checked once again.
Okay. That is anyone can find from the web.
On the website, it's very clearly
very
mentioned.
clear.
Yeah.
That's
So,
great. So
yes.
that's why you got into the college.
College, yes.
Great. So what was the reaction of parents while you decide you want to go in a certain designing kind of field or not in medical engineering or traditional?
Firstly,
Yeah.
my parents are not the traditional parents because we both sisters play. So we've been playing since our childhood. So they were already into it. That my sister is still into badminton. She's studying, but she's a national player.
Okay.
And I was an artist since beginning, so they knew I would have gone to engineering or a doctorate for sure. So they were mentally prepared that yes, we will be going into it. And my parents did help me find colleges. They came along with me to see the colleges.
Okay.
So all of that was a very positive impact, which helped me even more to study because I knew they were there at the back. So I would suggest for parents who are like whose children are willing to do all of this, your support will obviously help them to get into the colleges much better.
Right.
So yeah,
Because parents plays the
very
biggest
important
role.
role.
Yeah, that's what.
Yes,
Because without their permission, you can't like
you
shift
can't, and
from
I wouldn't be
Aurangabad to
happy. Yes,
Kolkata
all
for
over
staying for the
staying at home,
4 years.
and then suddenly out of
Exactly.
nowhere, I went to Calcutta without any plans. But
Exactly.
it turned out to be a very good experience all over. So it was totally worth it.
Yes. And now
So
parents
yeah,
must be very happy with your
very
future
happy.
result.
Truly.
Great.
Yeah.
So, any particular incident like would like to share from the college period, like 4 year, related to the art or something creative or something great achievement happens? I have seen your
Um,
CV. Like there are so many awards you got, like in badminton also and in jewelry designing also.
Jewelry
Would like
designing.
to share those things?
Yeah. We used to have a lot of competitions in college. So there used to be Spectrum, that is the college fest. So every year, all the different departments, like we have 6 departments, for instance, they all participate in it, and we design a complete collection for it. So it's a whole fun time that you have, that you are still in college till night and you are creating stuff, and it's a complete group or a complete team which works behind it. So we used to create, and we created it. And we won the first prize for it. So
So
that was
what
a
was
very
topic exactly?
we could use any topic. So we had used
Okay.
recycled material and we had used jute. So with jutes, we had created all the headgears and the body accessories.
Okay.
So, and then we had used light to enhance it. So the complete model was lit up with the jute ropes and silver. It was painted silver over it.
Okay.
So that made us win the first prize. So yeah, that was a very big achievement. The first collection that we launched came out that way.
So designing
And
for the designers begins from there only.
yes, exactly.
Becomes
And then related to badminton, I still continued playing in my college also. I did not stop there. I represented my college for 3 years. And in that also, we won a lot of gold medals.
great.
So,
And you were
yeah,
captain of some
I
sports.
was the captain of
Yeah,
the
yeah,
team. Yes.
great. That's a great thing.
So, I would say that don't stop your sports, don't stop your creativity. Please let it come out as much it can. So, it will help you grow.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's a great thing. So after a 4 year college, you have done some other courses also. What they
I
are
am.
exactly?
Currently, this is being taught in the college, but when I was studying, they did not teach you how to get jewelry made on Rhinoceros software. Rhinoceros is a 3D software
Okay.
in which you can create jewelry with all the perspective views, and then it can go for further
It
manufacturing.
is from the Adobe only, or it's
No,
a
it is not
different
from
company?
Adobe.
Okay,
It's
it's
a
not.
different company.
Okay.
It's manufactured by Robert Nickel, so it is from him. So that was not taught in the college, and it's a very important thing for one to know that. So now I did a course from IIGJ, which I mentioned earlier, the college from where I got to know everything. So from there, I started learning, and I just recently finished my course. Like it's been what 2-3 weeks I've finished my course. So then I was doing that course, and recently I finished it.
Okay.
So now, like this is being taught in the college currently. So they've started with this. So it's a good thing. So after college, I did job for 2 years,
Where exactly?
and in Bombay only I worked. I worked here for 2 years.
Okay.
So there was a company named as Sun Joyals.
Okay.
For them, I worked for 2 years.
So as we common people know, jewelry means like rings, bangles, or a necklace, or something like that. Or is there anything beyond these all things, or those things only you have to make designs and all?
In the market, it is only that
Okay.
when people come to buying it.
Right.
But when you have to design, there's no boundary to it. I can design anything I want.
So
So, like for competitions, you can design headgears, you can design bracelets with a very fancy look to it. Then you can design your body armors. So, all of these can also be worked on. But yes, basic rings, earrings, necklaces, bracelets, these still stay. They do not change.
okay. And if anyone
Yes.
has done the NIFT and completed their course and all, what are the job opportunities? Like, if they got the good salary package or jobs, placements are easily available nowadays in India, or they have to go abroad only?
Okay. Firstly, currently the situation is really bad. You are not getting good jobs. I started with
Because
45,000 as my first salary pay.
okay,
But currently, when somebody as a fresher is going, they're not getting this much payment.
what's the reason behind it?
The pandemic, people are not ready to take in new people immediately because they are unable to pay the old staff. How will they pay the
But
new
after
people?
this Corona period, there are huge scope now. Like
Yes, there is
companies are
surely a
there.
scope.
Okay,
Yes, there are a lot of
lots
companies.
of
People
companies in
want fresh
India.
designers.
Okay,
And being a Niftian, I have seen that people recommend Niftians and they want Niftians to come and work for them.
okay. So
So,
basically,
like,
right now, due to the pandemic, maybe the problem is there. That will
yes,
go now within six
that
months,
will
one
go.
year,
Once
more.
it is
Yeah,
gone, there's no problem.
there is no problem for the jobs and all. But
No.
to start self like own design studio and all, that must be take
Uh,
the lots of risk,
that is,
uh,
no doubt.
and I think investment also, and lots of other things also. So how
Yes.
you took that decision to start your own company and
Um,
all
I was very sure
manufacturing
that
unit?
one day I have to. So currently, I do freelancing work also, and I have started my own business also.
Acha, you are
So it
saying
is like,
freelancing also you'll get the orders.
I,
People
yes,
give the orders for the freelancing.
yes, I
If you
am
are a good
working like
designer.
that.
Okay, that's great.
So it is currently balancing out my expenses to my earnings.
Okay.
So because it's just a start right now, I do not have too many orders. That is obvious for anybody. That is.
Sure.
So the
Initially.
amount I earn from my freelancing, I invest in my own brand, and it goes that way. So the cycle flows in that manner.
So
So
currently you are manufacturing your own things and how you're promoting those through the
I have my
social
Instagram
media?
page.
Okay. Through the Instagram only you got those
Yes, I
many
have
orders?
got a few orders. Yes, from Instagram
Okay,
page.
that's great.
Yes,
So you must be
there is a
having the
lot of
website
scope. I don't
website
have a
also?
website as of now. No.
Oh my God. So only from the Instagram you are getting the clients and all.
Yes.
That's a great thing.
Recently,
So
I just designed a couple band for a proposal. So
okay,
they wanted a specific design. So I gave them the design and it's manufactured. And it turned out to be really nice. So the client is pretty happy. Soon I'll be posting all their reviews and everything on the page.
great.
So yeah, it was a good supporting thing, the beginning. So
So
yeah.
there are so many people, like especially childrens and college students, who waste their time on Instagram and watch the reels and stories and just binge watching they are doing. And
Yeah.
you are saying you are using this platform to earn, to represent
Earn money.
yourself, and to create a
Yes.
brand, right? That's a great
Correct.
thing. Like everyone has to take away from this thing. That's a great. So
And
what
it
else?
actually helps a
Uh,
lot. So like it's a good way to display your work. Now if anybody has to know what I am and what is my work, I just have to share my page with them, so
right.
they will understand what kind of work I do. Apart from that, yes, I obviously
Even
do
you don't
more
need
work.
to make the website also. They can
I don't.
directly contact to you na, through the
Exactly.
this
And
thing.
Instagram, I think everybody has it on their phone right now.
Right, exactly.
It's just a click away that you just click on the link and you have to see my page. Simple.
Exactly.
So at
Great.
least by that means you get to know what the person is, and somewhere you get to know how the work is.
Right.
And I obviously have an open platform for customization. So if anybody wants to get something of their choice, they can. Like this
Okay.
couple wanted a specific wing ring. So that's their whatever theme it was and whatever they had their connection. So I
Okay.
designed it that way for them and it was ready. So
Okay.
yeah.
So they give the theme or something to you, and then
Yes,
you
they did.
work
They
on.
had an idea in the mind.
Okay.
So
And who are the clients exactly? Means it is college students or who they want to get married
no.
right now, or for any birthday
Um
celebration. By
it was
what?
for a proposal. So
Okay.
they were around, you can say 23, 24 aged people.
Okay. So
So
main
yeah.
your basic client base is from this age group only, or anyone can
No, I
like
can do from every base you want. I
okay,
can design for a big diamond necklace also, and I can give you small earrings also. So
okay.
whatever is your requirement is what I can give you.
So right from the children till the any age group for the any kind of event, you can give them the
Yes.
customized jewelry
Customized jewelry
and
pieces.
particular design. So people, if
Yes.
you want it, you can order to
I can
Aditi.
make it
Yeah,
for
yeah,
them. Yes.
yes, great. And soon
I'll be
I
more than happy to make it
yeah,
for you
yeah.
people.
And I'm going to share all of your designs on my page.
Yes.
Yes, in
You
some
can
time.
directly
Yeah,
put
yes,
on
yes,
the
yes.
link. I think
That that
everybody
that
can access it.
that's what
So
I'm doing.
my journey actually started with you. I still remember the time when I used to just keep on knocking you, sir, mujhe class chahiye, mujhe sikha do. I had that thing in my mind that yes, I somewhere want to get into arts, and you were always helpful. Like, हाँ ठीक है, अभी तू आ जा. I am still there. You can come down to my place. I'll teach you.
I'm
So
always there for
I
you.
think,
Always.
yeah, if you have the spark, please go ahead. Don't let it stop. So yeah.
Anything else you'd like to share for the students, for the parents, like related to this especially jewelry designing field?
It's a very upcoming and a very growing field. There's a lot of scope. Like, I am planning for my masters in the coming time. So I think
Is
anybody
there
who,
masters also
yes,
in India only, or we have to go
no,
abroad for
I
this?
plan to go abroad. There is
But
in India also.
in NIFT only they have this
No,
2 years.
NIF
No,
doesn't have it.
doesn't
NID.
have. Okay, NID has a masters in jewelry designing.
Yes. But
But
there's a problem again. It is under the name of lifestyle and accessory, where they have other things also.
okay,
It's not only jewelry. Like, NIFT was specifically jewelry. This won't be specifically jewelry.
so abroad they have, you have the scope to
Specifically
do
jewelry.
specifically jewelry. Okay.
Yes.
And it's a 2 year program or 1.5?
1 year, 2 year, there are various places
Okay.
which have different programs.
Great.
So, like, if you want to work with, let's say, metals only, so there is a different college. Then if you want to work with fine diamonds, there's a different college. So you have different areas where it is categorized into. So you can go and work, like, learn from them.
Okay. You were saying something. Sorry, I interrupted.
No, I just said
Yeah,
this.
yeah,
Nothing
yeah.
else. Yeah.
So you were saying like you were telling for the message for the parents and students.
Yeah. So I would say that it is a very good growing field, and for anybody who is interested in this field, I think you can contact me also if you want to know anything. I'll be more than happy to help you people. And in case you want to know about the college more or something, you can check the website also. So there's a lot. Even I found it through that only. And don't stop yourself. Just go ahead with it. If you like arts, love arts, take classes, learn more, learn as much as you can. There's no end to it. So, and he's always there to help you guys. So I would say
I'm
there's no
always
better
there.
teacher you can get.
No,
Yeah.
nothing like
I
that.
started my journey almost with him. So yeah, I think that
Student
is
has
a
to
good
start.
start to it. There has to be a start. Very true.
They have to start
So it is.
something at least. That's why we are trying from this platform. Like
If it
they
helps,
should,
it's
yeah.
more than good for them.
Great. So people, here are a few designs by Aditi. You can see on my screen right now. Isn't it amazing, right? And please tell your Instagram page. That also you can see on a screen, people. Can you please tell your Instagram page, Aditi?
Yeah, Aditi_jewelry studio.
Okay, please follow this page right now. Stop the video, everyone. Take a pause for 5 seconds. I'll take a 5-second pause, and please follow her page right now, and you'll get the new updates and new designs. And please contact her if you want to place any order or any customized amazing designs made by
Feel
Aditi.
free to contact me
Yeah,
any
yeah.
point of time. I might be a little delayed in messaging you, but I'll surely do. Don't worry about that. I'll give my reward back as soon as possible.
Great.
So yeah.
Thank you so much,
And
Aditi. For
yes, thank you so
the
much.
time. Yes, and definitely ये सब चीजों का students will take benefit.
Yes, I just
And,
hope
yeah,
this initiative should help, at least even if it helps 10 to 15 people, it's a very good cause.
great.
So yeah.
And people seriously think for the jewelry designing now. And if you stuck with anything, you can go on different websites and you can directly contact with the Aditi.
You can directly contact me.
Yes, she's always there, as she said, and she'll definitely help you.
Help you out. Yes.
Thank you so much, Aditi.
Much.
Yes.
Nice talking to you. Thank you.
Same here. Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Yes.